secondary suffix. See, secondary suffix. It indicates which functional group present in given organic compound. Functional group. So here, what is called functional group? What about that? So, which is responsible for the properties of given organic compound? Generally, if an organic compound is given, which group is responsible for the properties? That is called functional group. For example, C. CH3, CH2OH. Okay, due to the presence of OH group, this compound is soluble in water because according to rule, OH means alcohols. Alcohols are highly soluble in water. Not only that, due to the presence of OH group, which has high boiling points. Okay, here the properties decided on which one? OH. So here OH is nothing but functional group. So here which functional group present in given organic compound indicated by secondary suffix. Okay, before we know that, first root word. What is the use of root word? It indicates number of carbons in a principal chain. Okay, after that, primary suffix. When we are added root word and primary suffix, we get the name. That organic compound name, last letter, what we are getting? E. The terminal letter, last letter compulsory, we get always E. Now this E is dropped by generally secondary suffix. Okay, here one condition is there. Which condition? If the name of the secondary suffix, beginning letter, starting letter is AE over AEIOU. The E is dropped by secondary suffix. If there is a consonant, the E is retained. Retained means not removable. As it is the E present, we are added directly secondary suffix. So secondary suffix name starts with any over. The E is dropped by secondary suffix. For example, say, given organic compound, what is the root word? E. What is the primary suffix? Carbon-carbon single bond, that is nothing but A. Okay, here one functional group is there. That is a alcohol. The alcohol secondary suffix, if the OH group is there, the secondary suffix is a O. According to IUPAC, that is a O. Okay, what is the beginning letter here? O. Because of that reason, here E is dropped, replaced, removed by secondary suffix. What about that? O is a secondary suffix. So what is the complete IUPAC name? Ethano. That is the correct IUPAC name. Okay, guys. Now, so what are the functional groups? Say what are the important functional groups are followed by secondary suffix? So the important functional groups are carboxylic acids. What is the formula of carboxylic acid? COOH. So if the COOH is there, what is the secondary suffix? Oic acid. Oic acid. Okay, see, in organic chemistry, lot of carboxylic acids are there. Generally, carboxylic acids denoted by RCOOH. RCOOH. So the first adjustable carboxylic acid HCOOH. So it is a first adjustable carboxylic acid series. It is correct or not correct? Carbon satisfied tetravalency. Now here, according to what is the root word? One carbon mean. Here, single bond only. Don't consider this double bond. The double bond belongs to functional group. If the functional group internally double or double bonds are there, these are not treated as a primary suffix. Except that remaining carbon-carbon having is there, we are considering. So here single bond only. Me plus A, methane. Me root word, A primary suffix. Okay, what is the secondary suffix? Oic acid. E is dropped by oic acid. It is a secondary suffix. See, what is the organic compound name? Methanoic acid. That is the IUPAC name of the carboxylic acid. Methanoic acid. So it is a IUPAC name. So after that, I will give few compounds having some other names also there, trivial names. Otherwise, these are also called common names. Common name. Common names means generally it has no internal rules. Based on either source of that organic compound or properties. Based on source or properties, we can say the name that is called common name. What we can say? Common name. Okay, here common names are not important. We want to make IUPAC names only. This acid previously it is obtained from. Starting days, the acid is obtained from red ant. Red ants. Red ant. Latin language, red ant means formica. Formica means in Latin language red ant. Based on that, the acid name is given formic acid. Okay, HCOOH is also called formic acid, but it is a common name. Common names means, okay, all compounds having, there is no common names. Few important compounds having common names are there. Here, any organic compound is given, we can say the IUPAC. That is the important. So why it is called formic acid? Because it is derived from formica, red ant. Here formica means red ant. Base rather the name is given formic acid. For example, I have taken one more acid. So what is the IUPAC name of given acid? According to rule, 2 carbons each rootward, carbon-carbon single bond, A primary suffix, E rootward, A primary suffix. After that, what we can take? Secondary suffix. What is the secondary suffix? Oic acid. There also E is dropped by oic acid. What is the name of that? Ethanoic acid. It is the IUPAC name. So 2 carbons carboxylic acid, ethanoic acid. 3 carbons carboxylic acid, propanoic acid. 4 carbons butanoic acid. 5 carbons pentanoic acid. 6 hexanoic acid, heptanoic acid, octanoic acid, and so on. All these belongs to what about that? Carboxylic acids. Okay, even though this compound also have a common name is there. What is the name of that? Acetic acid. Acetic acid. It belongs to common name. Okay, that acid derived from source vinegar. Okay, in Latin language, acetum means vinegar. Because of that reason, the name is given acetic acid. Acetic acid. Okay, I will give 12th standard. We have one separate topic is the only carboxylic acids. Okay, 1 week, 10 days we discuss about only acids, carboxylic acids. Then propanoic acid is also called propioic acid, fat acid. Butanoic acid is also called butyric acid. Butter that is obtained from, that's a butyric acid, like that names are there. Here just we want IUPAC names. Okay, then the important one of the functional group alcohols. So what is the formula OH? So alcohol secondary suffix, what about that? O. Okay, the first adjustable alcohol CH3OH. So here alcohols are denoted by ROH, where R is nothing but alkyl group, methyl, ethyl, propyl, whatever. Otherwise, having is general formula also there, CnH2n plus 1 into OH. That is the general formula. Alcohols general formula series CnH2n plus 1 into OH. If where n equals to 1, CH3OH. Where n equals to 1, CH3OH. What is the IUPAC name? According to root word make primary suffix A, secondary suffix O. Methanol. What is the IUPAC name? 2 carbons, 8 single bond, A is replaced by O. Ethanol. Like propanol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol, heptanol, all belongs to alcohol. That is the IUPAC name. Here, these are the IUPAC names. Old IUPAC names. These are also called common name. Common name, alkyl alcohol. Common name is similar to alkyl alcohol. Alkyl alcohol. Here, no confusion. Whole means IUPAC name. Alcohol means common name. Okay, common name, it is similar to alkyl alcohol means it is which alkyl group? What is the name of the alkyl? Methyl. What about that? Methyl. CH3 is for methyl. Methyl alcohol. It is ethyl alcohol. It is propyl alcohols, like that. If alcohol, what is there? That belongs to common name. Or what is there? That belongs to IUPAC name. Okay, 12th standard we have separate topic is there, alcohols. Now, according to IUPAC, JEE mains point of view particularly see. If the organic compound having more than one OH groups are present. More than one. 2, 3, 4, whatever. Okay, in this case, in IUPAC system, the E is not replaceable. See, it is generally what we expected E, root word E, 2 carbons E. Okay, carbon carbon, single bond A, ethane. Here, both are here equal priority. If you can say it is the first carbon or you say it is the first carbon. Okay, here both are correct. 2 cases. Because of that reason, just we can say ethane 1,2 di-O. Okay, see here as it is, I have taken E. But before cases, only one OH group is there, E is wrapped by O. So here not only one mole, 2 moles are there. Because of that reason, the E we can take as it is ethane 1,2 di-O. Propane 1,2 di-O, like that. It is also one of the rule. More than one OH groups. More than one. Otherwise, single OH group is there, E is wrapped by O. What is the general formula of alcohols? CnH2n plus 1 into OH. So, alcohols IUPAC name. Alcohols IUPAC name is similar to alkanol. Alkanol means methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol. It is similar to alkanol. What is the common name of alcohols? Alkyl alcohols. Alkyl alcohols. Right? Now, so one of the important functional group, aldehydes. Aldehydes. aldehydes CHO. If anywhere CHO group is there, that is called aldehyde functional group. CHO. CHO is also represented by sometimes like this. CHO. Both are same there. Both are same. Now, if aldehyde is there, the secondary suffix AL. What about that? AL. Okay. What is the first adjustable aldehyde? So aldehydes are also denoted by RCHO. So first adjustable aldehyde, formaldehyde, that is the common name, formic acid. One carbon acid, like that, one carbon aldehyde, formaldehyde. Acetic acid, two carbons acid, like that, two carbons aldehyde is called acetaldehyde. What about that? Acetaldehyde. Aldehyde common names are derived from carboxylic acids. Okay, what are that? Here just we want IUPAC name. The first aldehyde series HCHO. It is also represented by HCHO. See. Okay, say what is the IUPAC name?
Methanol.
So, very good. One carbon means single bond A is replaced by R. What is the IUPAC name? Methanol. Me, root word, A, primary suffix, all, secondary suffix. Okay, if I have given series, what is the IUPAC name? Ethanol. E plus N, ethane is represented by Al. So, like that, any organic compound is given, you can say the IUPAC name. Say, what is the IUPAC name? Pentanol. Total number of carbons according to rules. CHO carbon also included in root word. Total number of carbons are 5. Root word belongs to pen. Primary suffix belongs to A. Secondary suffix belongs to all. What is the IUPAC name? Pentanol. What about that? Pentanol. Same. For the standard we have topic is the aldehydes. Alcohols, carboxylic acids, and aldehydes. These are only 12 all organic topics. Not only that, ketones. Say ketones. Okay, ketones, functional group CO. Sometimes it is also denoted directly CO like this. Keto. Name of the functional group, keto. If the CO functional group is there, the secondary suffix, what about the O? ONE. O. Organic chemistry name, O. Keto. O. Okay, see now. Generally, before carboxylic acid is given, followed by aldehyde is given. This type of functional groups are called terminal functional groups. Terminal means these are only exist terminally, not exist between carbons. Because the tetravalence is not satisfied. Aldehydes, COOH, these are exist either first or last. Whatever the any terminal position, then only the satisfied tetravalence is C. CHO means like this. It satisfied carbon tetravalence. So why not it is exist between? See, if I have taken like this, okay, CHO I have taken between, but it is not possible. Why? Because see, CS3. So CH3, carbon surrounded by 3 hydrogens, CHO, CH. Okay, hydrogen carbon always single bond, but oxygen we want. What about the double bond? Oxygen is a divalent atom. Remaining CH3. Is correct? No. It is the wrong. Why? Because see this carbon. This carbon surrounded, how many bonds are there? 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bonds are possible? No. Carbon maximum valency, what about the tetravalency? 4 bonds. So COOH, CHO, CN, CONH2, some functional groups are only exist terminally. These are called terminal functional groups. Like that, ketone is a non-terminal functional group. Non-terminal. It is always exist between carbons. It is always exist between carbons. Why? Say, if you can take ketone, I have taken 2 carbons ketone like this. It is correct? No. This carbon not satisfied tetravalency. Compulsory what we can take here? Hydrogen. If we can take hydrogen, it is not a ketone. That is a aldehyde. If CO along with the hydrogen is there, a functional group converted into aldehyde. So CO group not exist terminally. It is always exist between carbons. Between carbons means minimum right side one carbon, left side one carbon is required. So the first existable ketone, 3 carbons ketone. 1 carbon ketone not possible, 2 carbons ketone not possible. First minimum, say this CO. If you want ketone, right side 1 carbon, left side 1 carbon. Then only we can say it is called ketone, CO. Okay, after that, according to tetravalency, CH3. Tetravalency के लिए CH3. It is the first ketone. So first ketone, what about that? Propanol. What is the name of this? 3 carbons prop. Root word. What is the primary suffix? A. What is the secondary suffix? O. E is replaced by O. Propanol. It is one of the important ketone. First ketone, propanol. It is the IUPAC name. It is also called, one more name is their common name, acetone. What is the name? Acetone. Okay. Now we want just here IUPAC names only. What is that? Propanol. Otherwise, here CO group second carbon. So we can say 2 propanol also correct. No problem. One present second carbon. I will give number units. Okay. If I have given one more compound, say what is the name of the ketone? Very good. So here total number of carbons are 3, 4, 5, 6 hex. Carbon single bond. Don't consider here carbon oxygen double bond. But we want carbon. Carbon between carbon double bond is E. Here carbon oxygen, that is not a primary suffix. Okay, 6 carbons, hex, root word. Okay, carbon single bond, a primary suffix. Okay, here what is the secondary suffix? O. Okay, C. Sometimes you can write here O present 1, 2, 3, third carbon, 3 O. 3 O. That is correct. 3 O. O belongs to third carbon. 1, 2, 3. Otherwise, we can say 3 hexamone. That is also correct. 3 hexamone means O belongs to third carbon. Okay, if the O here is same compound, I will be like this. So what we can say this compound IUPAC name? Very good. 2 hexamone. Otherwise, hexane is replaced by 2. That is also correct. So these all belongs to ketones. What is the first ketone? Very good. That is most important. Methanol, ethanol not possible. What is the first ketone? Propanone. Propanone, butanone, pentanone, hexanone, heptanone, and so on. All belongs to ketones. Okay. Now, so not only that, so aldehydes, ketones, alcohols, carboxylic acids, even though COO, esters, esters. Esters means is denoted by COO. COO. Otherwise, it is also represented C double bond O like this. Both are same. Ester. If the esters are there, the secondary suffix belongs to OATO. OATO. Now, how do the ketone exist? Non-terminal functional group. Like that, esters also exist non-terminal functional group. It is also exist between carbons only, similar to ketone. Okay, this IUPAC name somewhat difficult. You see this. So, if they are given ester, COO. So, at least we want right side one carbon, left side one carbon. Minimum one carbon required, similar to ketone. Okay, now I have taken here one carbon. So, CH3 here one carbon, CH3. Understood or not? Here. Now see. So immediately we can say it is an ester. Given organic compound is a ester. Okay, esters IUPAC name. Here, aldehydes IUPAC name similar to alkanol. Alcohol IUPAC name similar to alkanol. Carboxylic acid, alkanoic acid, methanoic acid, ethanoic acid, propanoic acid. Alkanol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Alkanol, methanol, ethanol, propanol, butanol. Ketones, alkanol, propanol, butanol, pentanol, hexanol. Okay, esters. Esters IUPAC name is always similar to alkyl, alkanoate, alkanoate. alkanoate. Okay. How that is possible? Generally, any organic compound is given. First, we select the parent chain, principal chain. Select the principal chain. What is called principal chain? What is called principal chain? Longest continuous carbon chain. Longest continuous. Continuity, no jumpings, right? Say that what is the principal chain? How many carbons possible? Very good. 2 carbons.
Two.
Okay, see. So here longest continuity means here 1 carbon, here 1 carbon continuity. Okay, here between oxygen is there. There is no continuity between these 2 carbons. That's why the longest chain this is only. So parent chain, principal chain this is only. Don't take 1, 2, 3. Don't like that. Okay, continuity required. That is called principal chain. Continuity. If here carbon is there, okay, you can take 1, 2, 3, 4. But here between oxygen is there. Okay, the chain up to this only longest. 2 carbons. It is the root word. It is the root word. Root word just here. What about the E? Okay. After that, carbon between single bond. So what we can take primary suffix A. Okay, the roots are same. E plus A, ethane. Not completed. Here functional group is there. Okay, that represented secondary suffix. Understood? Okay, E is replaced by secondary suffix. What about that? The name starts with O. So E is drop. What is that secondary suffix? OATA, O. That's right. What is the OATA, O? Okay, now this part completed. Remaining one more group is the right side. See this. Okay, what is the total formula? Very good. Methyl is nothing but CH3. The remaining are treated as a substitutants. Branch. Substitutants are always states before the root word. What about the before the root word? Okay, this is the substitutant. What is the name of the substitutant? Methyl. So we can write here methyl. What is the total IUPAC name? Methyl ethanoate. See this. Alkyl alkanoate. Okay. CH3, CH2, COO, CH2, CH3. Say this one. It is the ester. Very good, excellent. Ethyl propanoate. Okay, what is the longest? This one. Okay, this is the longest. 1, 2, 3. So here between oxygen is there. So it is pro plus A, propane. Okay, is replaced by OATE, O, propanoate. Okay, after that, what was this one? C2H5. Total C2H5, that is called ethyl. So according to the root word